How to buy Roblox gift cards online. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you on how you can do it. So let's get started without any delay. First of all, you may just go ahead and open up your Roblox application on your screen. You may use your credentials in order to log in into Roblox. And then once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface right here. So from here at the top of your screen, you should be finding a coin icon. When you go ahead and click on it, here it will show you all of your Robux, so all of your balance and the Robux in your Roblox. So if you're looking for any kind of gift card buying option, unfortunately you do not get any. So in order to buy a gift card, you can just go ahead and open up any of your preferred browser. You may just go ahead and close up your Roblox application and then type in into the browser, type in roblox.com/gift cards, and when you do, you should be taken to this page right here. So you can just go ahead and look out for this option of shop gift card on your screen. Look out for that, tap on it, and then once you tap on it, you will be taken to another page. So all you gotta do is follow this process. So first thing is you need to select like what kind of card do you want to gift. So for example, if you want a digital card, physical card, let's say put it as digital for this one right here. After that, you want to select up how much amount you would like to send. So for example, 50 USDD, you can just go ahead and do that. Or you may also select the other option and select up the more value. For example, I would like 40 for this one. And you can select like who is that card for. So for you or for a friend, so let's head over to for a friend, and in this section you need to provide this information right here. So the first thing is you need to provide of the recipient name. So just go ahead and provide of the recipient name. After that, your name, like your name and gift message into a gift card. So just go ahead and provide like something like you need to just go ahead and provide a sweet message if you want to do a gift card, and tap to add to cart. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you will be taken to another page, so it will start the verification. And then once the verification completes, the gift card will be sent. You need to go ahead and provide your payment method like credit card or debit card, and once that is done, the gift card should be sent. You should be able to buy the Roblox gift card and send it to someone online directly. So that is it. You may also follow the same process in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.